Hi there! Are you looking to streamline your reporting services? In this video, we'll walk you through our standard reports, where you can access predefined reports, apply filters, and generate insightful payroll data to help you make informed decisions. Let's get started. On your Microkeeper account, navigate to Payroll and click on Reports. Standard reports contain the default pre-built reports by the Microkeeper team to provide quick access to data. To generate a new report, make sure you have the right access level by clicking on My Access at the top of the page. Before selecting a report, make sure to specify a time period. If not specified, Microkeeper will automatically select the most recent payment date. Period selecting filters include the fiscal year, period of time, and group. Below these, the Related Pay Runs filter will display the specific runs included within your selected criteria. Once you've set the time period, you can access any of these reports by exporting them as a CSV file or selecting View. The option to print the report will be available here. Now you know how to navigate, view, and export standard reports. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team.